name is Teacher Jay, and today we're going to do your speaking test. But first, I want you to introduce yourself. Tell me your name, age, where do you live, and what do you do during your free time.
Hello, I am.
My name?
My name is Nina. I'm child Leo. I'm like Bình Minh, Thanh Oai, Hà Nội. I'm play video game.
During my free time.
In my free time, play video game.
Here, can you tell me the musical instruments? What's this? Drums,
Piano, guitar,
violin,
violin,
recorder,
recorder,
no, trumpet,
trumpet,
flute,
flute,
saxophone.
saxophone,
Musical genres, this one is pop,
pop, hip hop,
classical,
classical,
reggae,
reggae, rock,
heavy metal.
heavy metal.
Can you play musical instrument here? Can you play any musical instrument?
I can play piano.
This one, piano. What's your favorite type of music?
My
Favorite
type of the music is pop.
Physical descriptions. Can you describe Olivia?
Olivia is so and very slim. She has
Blonde,
wavy hair and blue
eyes,
eyes. She has
braces,
She about
15. Which one do you think here is Olivia? Number
5.
Number 5. Number 4. There's no 5, only 4. Number 4. Now, can you tell me the important events of your life? I was born in
I was born in Hanoi in
2000.
2012.
I
I
learned
love to ride a
bicycle.
bicycle when I was
4, 5, 6.
6. I was
Started
started
elementary
elementary school when I was as
8. I started
I started in
junior high
junior high school
when I was
when I was
what, 11, 12?
11.
Were you at school yesterday? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Were you at school yesterday?
Today.
Yesterday. Yes, I was. No, I wasn't.
Yes, I was.
Okay, did you do your homework last night? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. No, I.
No, I didn't.
What did you do last weekend? Last weekend, I
did
What did you do last weekend? Did you watch movie, play badminton?
play badminton. Play
Weather, this one is
sunny, cold,
cloud,
cloudy, raining,
what's this? Wind, windy, foggy, snow,
snowy,
snowy, Storm.
Storm.
Tornado.
Tornado.
Now here, what was the weather like yesterday? It was, what's this? Tuesday, yesterday. It was
High.
rain.
Rain.
It's raining.
Raining.
Movie types, action movie, horror movie,
Horror movie. Love
story,
Com-
musical,
musical.
cartoon,
To
fantasy, sci-fi.
sci-fi.
Can you tell me about the last time you went to the movies? Yes,
The last time I went to the movie was Best Friend.
No. Was last month, last week.
Last week.
I went with
I
my
went with my best friend. I watched at 11 o'clock.
No, we watched. What's the title of the movie? Name. It was a movie type. What is it? A comedy, love story.
Comedy love story.
Just only one only. It was love story or comedy one.
Comedy.
It was a
This was a love story.
the movie started at
Started at 11 o'clock and 8 o'clock.
and it ended at
And is at
ended at
ended at 8 o'clock.
the movie was
The
what?
movie was good.
Do you like it or
Love.
do you love it? Yes. Okay. Finish. Thank you.